Now that's enough to make you build an all-pretzel pantry. With a biometric security system. Dots, sensationally seasoned pretzels.
Everything in moderation. Except for popcorn. Popcorn doesn't count. Skinny Pop. Enjoy endlessly.
Mike had a heart attack a year ago, but he's still living in the red with a very high risk of another attack. With his risk factors, his recommended LDL-C level should be below 55. Find out if you're living in the red. Learn how to get a free LDL-C test.
What goes to where? Amazing? Nice, right? But we're not there yet. Not this either. Still not it. Finding the next epic place isn't the point. In Nissan Pathfinder, search is the adventure.
At Granger, we know the ones who get it done wear a lot of hats. A hard hat is one, problem solver is another. Whatever the job calls for, we're here for you. We're America's trusted source for industrial grade products, with the scale and resources to deliver and the knowledge to help answer tough product questions. Because we know that hats change, but having access to real people ready to help, combined with fast delivery, never goes out of style. Call clickgranger.com and just stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
There's no better time than now for a getaway to Great Wolf Lodge.
Sleep more deeply and wake up rejuvenated. Purple Mattress's exclusive GelFlex grid draws away heat, relieves pressure, and instantly adapts. Better live Purple. Right now, save up to $800 off mattress sets at Purple. Visit purple.com or a store near you today.
PGA Tour live on ESPN Plus. And everybody out there, from the Pacific to the playoffs, and every hole in between. Football stuff. Every tournament starts on ESPN Plus. Stream your own way. The 4 unique feeds. All the energy. These guys are having fun. All the personalities. And Scotty's into all the unexpected. All season. PGA Tour live on ESPN Plus.
Jessie loves playing detective.
But since we found out she has sensitive skin, we've been playing detective too.
At first, we thought the problem was our puppy.
Look, what's the clue?
Or something outside.
But the culprit was our old detergent. So we switched to Tide Pods Free and Gentle. It cleans better and doesn't leave behind irritating residues.
And it has no dyes or perfumes, so it's gentle on your skin.
Case closed.
Tide Free and Gentle is EPA Safer Choice certified. If it's got to be clean, it's got to be Tide.
There are many reasons why so many people choose Quality Collision, and it goes beyond the 25-year A+ rating by the Better Business Bureau. Not only is your vehicle being put back together by an I-CAR certified technician, but the shop has been I-CAR Gold Class certified for over 25 years. Not to mention the only shop in the area that's manufacturer certified to work on aluminum vehicles too, even RVs to boats. Quality Collision will have your vehicle looking as good as the day you bought it. When life throws accidents your way, Quality Collision can fix the day.
It was the fourth coldest game in
Got a
NFL
pair of Blue
history.
Jays coming in. Those fuckers are big.
-27 wind chill.
Surprised they don't rip the
For those
bird feeder
intrepid
off the
fans who
window.
braved the sub-zero temperatures, they were rewarded with a performance that reminded everybody